Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Burner Assy for Blodgett part number 36156. The Burner Assy for Blodgett part number 36156 is a replacement part for Blodgett ovens. It is a complete assembly that includes the burner head, and pilot assembly. The burner is made of stainless steel and has a capacity of up to 50,000 BTU/HR. The burner head is designed to provide even heat distribution and features an adjustable air shutter for precise temperature control. The pilot assembly includes a thermocouple, pilot tube, and spark igniter. This part is designed to fit Blodgett oven models ZEPHAIRE-E, ZEPHAIRE-G, ZEPHAIRE-C, ZEPHAIRE-D, Mark. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner Assy for Blodgett part number 36156 is used to replace a faulty or worn-out burner assembly in a Blodgett oven. It can help to fix issues such as poor heat distribution, uneven cooking, and inadequate flame size. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing burner assembly from the oven. To do this, remove the screws that hold the burner in place and carefully lift it out of the oven. 2. Place the new burner assembly into position and secure it with the screws that were removed in step 1. 3. Connect the gas line to the new burner assembly using a wrench to tighten all connections securely. 4. Connect the electrical wiring to the new burner assembly according to manufacturer instructions. Make sure all connections are secure and tight before proceeding. 5. Turn on the. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.